So, good evening, everyone. This is today is 2nd July 2025. Another day of live trading on Paddy Signals. So, Victor, did you do anything yesterday? Did you make any trade?
I told you I had a problem with my account.
Oh, okay.
So I tried it again. They're still trying to verify. So
Okay, okay.
hopefully I will do this one you're going to teach me this night. I'm going to do it.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Going to
problem.
trade with this signal this night.
Yes, yes. So, if you have any questions, you can just send me private message.
Okay,
So,
sure,
we can, yeah, we'll take it from there. So, I'm
sure.
going to share my screen now. So, you can just confirm that you can see my screen.
I can see your screen very clearly.
Okay. Okay, let me just do it like this. You can still see my screen, right?
Yes, very clearly.
Perfect. You can see the charts.
The charts,
Yes.
yes,
Okay.
very clear.
Yes, very good. So, first thing first, I want us to, because we don't have other people in the group, but anyway, I'm recording it so they can follow it later. So,
Okay,
I created an Excel sheet, so which I shared in the group. So,
okay,
this Excel sheet, we are going to use it to monitor our progress. So,
yes.
this is actually false. I was just testing. Let me just remove it. This was not correct. So what this sheet is just for us to monitor our progress for all the coins we are trading because, like I said, the plan was to get 1% every day. Yeah, so the,
Yes.
the trade I did yesterday, I had a loss, but it's okay. It happens. It's a small loss, right?
Okay,
So
it came out a loss.
yes, it came out a loss because it hit my stop loss. I told you that yesterday that when we make a trade, we should add a stop loss so that we can minimize any loss if the price goes down, it goes against us. So from this chart, I can use it. We can use it to monitor the losses. So everybody that is going to be trading have access to this chart. So for you now, if you are going to start trading, I'm going to add a tab for you like this. So this tab will be I rename it to Victor. So it will just be a copy of. Can I just copy like this? Yes. So the link, you can always come to this place to update your own Excel sheet, right? So, but this is for me. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to update it. So the coin we traded yesterday was COQ,
Yes.
COQ, and yesterday's date was 1 July. Can I add the settings here to make it a date? How do I do that again?
You can hear me, right?
I can hear you.
Okay, okay, because I'm using my phone now. My laptop
Okay.
ran into some problems.
Okay, okay. I want to change this column to a date column. How do I do that again? Conditional formatting. Is it this one? No,
Uh,
that's not it.
Yesterday trade, we ran at a loss.
Yeah, it came out a loss because the stop loss was hit. I made it a very tight stop loss, so it was
Yes.
just 1% stop. But we'll see now. So let me just put normal date. I'll change the format later. So yesterday was 01/07 2025, and the buy price. So if you go to my trade, so if I go to the history, so this one here under was it what happened yesterday. You can see this is the date 1/7/2025 at this time, right? So you can see this is the price I bought
Yeah.
yesterday, the COQ. So I'm going to just copy this one and put it in the sheet. This is the buy price. Then the quantity I bought, which is this one, like this. This is the quantity. The total
Yeah.
buy cost me. How much did the thing cost me? Let me. If I go to details, do I have more information? It costs. Oh, I can't see the price here. Field price, trading fees, transaction time. I should even add trading fees to the column actually.
Okay.
I think I'll just
Yeah,
do
we are
that.
supposed to add it to the column.
Yes, yeah, okay, I'll do it later. So, but I need to see the cost of how much did I buy? Is there a way I can? How much did I spend? Okay, this is it here. Sorry, I didn't. This is what I spent: 173 point something dollars
Mm.
yesterday. So this was my this was the total buy cost. It cost me to buy these coins.
Mm.
Let me do it like this. Then it's also sold yesterday, which is this one. So it sold at this price, which was a loss.
Mm.
So I'm going to put it. It's still at the same date, which is 01/07/2025, and the sell price was this one. And the what are we checking? Sell quantity. So the quantity was this, which was sold. I'm just gonna put it, and the total sell cost was this one. So you can see this is my loss. It has calculated my loss. This is minus 0.01. So I had a minus 0.01 loss,
Mhm.
which is yeah, if you look at it, the buy I bought at 173 here, I sold
Yeah.
at 171. So I lost about $2, something like that. You know?
$2. Okay.
Yes. So
Nice.
this is why I created this sheet, so that we can monitor. So at the end of the month, we can see the total our
Profit.
performance. You know,
Yes.
we can see our performance. So that's why I did this. So I will come back and format it. But yes, when you make your first trade, you can also come to your tab here and just feel it like we did, and every other
Okay.
person will feel the same. So that one is
Okay.
done. So now we need to make another new trade. So I need to send the same charts again to ChatGPT to help us to determine what to do next.
Yes,
Right?
just like before.
Yes. So now, so it will be the time frames, and the indicators are still there. So we just copy and paste the indicator as usual. So it was 5 minutes indicator. So I'm just gonna expand this. I hope I'm not getting a message. Someone trying to. Okay, just a moment. Someone is trying to join the call.
Okay.
Let me just share it with him again. I think it's Shegun. Shegun is trying to join the call. Okay. Let me send it to him. Yes, he sent. So yeah, if he wants to join, you can join. So yeah, so now we need to copy like yesterday, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and what was the last one he said we should do? Let me open ChatGPT again. Oh no, I don't want to use this one. Let me just do like this. I want to change my account to this one. Okay. Let me just do it like this. Chat. Okay. Don't worry, it's not as slow as yesterday. It's much better. So I'm just gonna go to my live trading, Paddy Signals live trading.
Yeah.
So I'll just cover this one. So yes, so this was the one we're doing yesterday, and I'm looking at the time. I don't want us to pass 30 minutes. So yeah, remember it says
We will just copy. Just copy that template.
yes. I just want to remember what was the time frame he said we should add yesterday.
15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
1 hour.
And I think 5 minutes.
And 5 minutes. Yes.
Okay.
5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour.
Yes. Look at it here. You're right. This is it.
Yes.
So let me do that. So now we have. Who's calling me? I can't pick this call now. Sorry. Someone is calling me. Oh, yeah. So now this is a 5 minutes time frame. So I'm just going to expand it and make a copy quickly. Just gonna copy
Please, where are we going to go to click it and just copy the 5 minutes?
Okay, look at it. So if you come, this is how it is. So if you look,
trading view.
Yes, look at this page.
Yes.
This is 5 minutes.
Okay.
So always remember, up here is the time frames.
The time frames.
Yeah. If you remember yesterday, I told you each candle represents. So if we're in 5 minutes, each candle represents 5 minutes.
Okay.
So if it's 30 minutes, each candle represents 30 minutes. So in this case,
Okay.
it's 5 minutes. Then I come here and I expand it, and
Yes.
I'm going to make a screenshot now. So new
Okay.
screenshot. Yeah, today is much better. Yesterday was clumsy with the whole
Yes.
screenshot and everything.
Yeah.
So I copy this. I'm going to put it in ChatGPT, which is our very intelligent trading uh,
Analyzer.
assistance analyzer. That's a good word. So this is 5 minutes, and we're going to do 15 minutes also. So I change this to 15 minutes. You can see the candle change, and
Yeah.
different things happen within 15 minutes. I don't want to go into details because we are going to we want to save time. But like
Okay.
we plan in the weekend, maybe I'll be doing more training to understand more of these indicators. So
Okay.
yes, so now 15 minutes, I'm going to expand this one, make another uh, screenshot. Copy it, put it in, and the 1 hour time frame.
Yes.
Just as ChatGPT asks us to do. Same thing, copy it. Copy and put it in. So I'm just going to say something because what happened, I traded yesterday and uh, my stop loss was hit. I I now have USDT in my wallet. Can you advise on my next trading move?
Yes. Also,
Mhm.
okay.
What do you want to say?
Also, we are supposed to also check the is it the EMM? We are supposed to also add the EMM.
EMA.
EME.
Let me see.
Are we not supposed
I think we
to
have
also
it. Uh, okay. I thought we had it here. Volume stock. Okay. Yeah, yeah, right. I Let me see. I think I'm using. Okay, this is stock
because
RSI.
ChatGPT answered that yesterday.
Yes, EMA. Okay, let's add it then. Uh, but it's
And
okay.
also,
Let's don't add it because we can add it, but we can also add other indicators because
okay.
this is also fine. OBV, RSI, stock RSI, volume. Uh,
Yes.
okay. Maybe I'll just add EMA just for one more on the 1 hour.
And that's your favorite indicator as well.
Yes, Bolinga. That one is there. This one.
Polinga,
Yes,
yes,
that one is there.
Polinga.
Let me just add the EMA just because you mentioned it. Yeah, moving on. EMA cross. Is it this one? Yes. So I'll just add it quickly. It's a good one. You pointed that out. Well, I'll just add it for 1 hour.
Okay.
Copy. Then I put it in. So now, can you advise on my next trading move? Target is to get 1% per day. So I'm just gonna ask this prompt. So let's see what it says we should do. Sometimes his answers are not so doesn't seem
Accurate.
correct, but most of the time I always rely on what he says. So say okay, so I'm just going to scroll. Thanks, I've reviewed your latest chart across 5 minutes for COQ. Here's a quick breakdown and a fresh trade recommendation to help recover from your yesterday's stop loss and hit your 1% daily profit goal. So this is the current price, slightly pulled back after a mini rally. So it's telling us about the various indicators
Yes.
we put. So you can see it's
Indicator.
explaining what is happening per indicator. So it says Bollinger
Yeah.
bands, price touch upper band, now reverting towards middle band. So each of the indicators he analyzed. So you can go back and look at it. I mean the video.
Mhm.
And here it says next trade setup, wait and buy lower, pullback strategy. So action, buy at this price, entry, take profit at this price and set a stop loss at this price. So this is what he said we should do. So, and the target is going to get this maximum risk, 1% loss, factoring Bybit fee. So we have to wait to enter. So this is the price, the entry price, which I'm going to set now for myself. So I'm just going to quickly do the trade. So I'm just going to make a buy. So this is the price it says we should buy, 4870, based on this one. So quantity, how much am I buying? I want to use all my money to buy, which is 171. How much do I have capital? I'm going to choose 100%. So that's $171. So I click buy. So now the order has been submitted.
Yes.
So the price, it will not buy now because the price is we asked to buy is 0.
4870.
Yes, and the current price is what? 491. So we are expecting that the price may come down to 4870 based on what AI told us. So we just have to wait. So for what I'm going to do next is that because I don't have it, I couldn't share it. There's a alert I use to alert me when this price touch.
Yes, so, you said you were going to give us the alert.
The app, yeah. I will share it in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I forgot to share it yesterday. So in that app, I can set this price that, okay, when this price reaches, send me an alarm. And why do I want to do that? Because based on what AI says, it says after we buy, that's when we have to set the stop loss. Because we cannot set the stop loss until we bought, and the buy has not yet happened yet. We are still waiting. So it's still an open order. It's still waiting to buy. Please just focus on this top one.
Yes.
Not the lower one.
Let me I understand.
The top one. So so when this price is hit, immediately we should set the stop loss at this price and set a take profit at this price. So that's the strategy. So I'm going to set my alert for that, and once that is done, I'm going to make a small video on my phone to show you how I put this stop loss and take profit. So anybody watching can do the same, because because we have to wait to do these two things after the buy has happened.
Okay.
Yeah. Victor, you understand what I'm saying, right? You have any questions?
Apparently, I understand. Okay. I understand. I'm also from the finance side of things. So.
Oh yes, nice. Yes, that's correct. Yes. So you understand what I'm saying? Yes. Good. Yeah.
So one thing I also want to point out is that you said the goal is to get 1% profit per day.
Yes.
Right. So that means in 7 days it will be 7%.
That's the plan.
Okay.
It doesn't mean I'm not. I'm sure we can get that target, but of course I'm not 100% sure.
I know.
So what I'm saying is that within a month, because there may be some days we may get more than 1%, right? There may be some days I may get 2%, 3%, but within a month, in 30 days, the goal is to get 30% at the end of the month. So we are going to check at the end of the month, what did we get, So of course we started with
my another question is that when we set 1% profit, so if it goes higher, that is our own gain, right?
Yes,
it can go higher than that 1%.
Yes. So the for that there's two options, because if you look at this take profit, this is just telling us exactly if you hit this price, we are just going to get this one. So we won't get more than 1%. So for
that means it's going to end.
So for us to get more than 1%, in that case, that means we don't set a take profit, we just leave it, right? Or we set a trading stop loss so that we can get at least, no matter what happens, it won't. It may, even if it goes down, we don't lose so much. We only lose very little, but going up, it could be more than 1%. So I think what's going to happen, let's just start with this one. Let's just maintain the 1%. with more progress as we're going along, I'm going to introduce trailing stop loss. So trailing stop loss will help us to even get more than 1% in our trades.
Yes.
Yes, because once the
Yes.
price is going higher, we set a trailing stop loss so that the stop loss will follow the price, right? So once the stop loss follows the price, if the price goes up by 5%, then we are going to have more gains before the stop loss is hit. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry. With time, you'll see that part.
So
Yeah.
I just wanted to answer that there's something like that. It
Yes,
exists.
there's that opportunity. Yes. For now, I just want to maintain that
Monitor.
1% because I feel like it's something that is achievable every day because the prices fluctuate around 1%, so or around every day. So that's why I'm focusing on this specific trade. So, but in a few days, it will we're going to change that, and maybe we're going to see how we can get more than 1% in a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think
Okay.
we have. It's just 2 minutes more, but we have I think come to
Yes.
the end. So
Yeah.
just wait for more updates on the WhatsApp group. I'm going to add something once the price is hit. So
Okay.
yeah, and that's for other people watching. If you following, if you couldn't join this live, you can follow the WhatsApp for the to see what we are going to do next, and you can also watch this video.
Mhm.
Yes. So Victor, I want to thank you very much for joining this
Thank you so much.
meeting. Yeah.
No, your dedication is applaudable.
Oh,
I
thank you
really
very
want to
much.
appreciate you because these things are some things that they usually charge online to
Yes,
attend.
exactly.
I want to take this opportunity with all my heart. Like I really want to follow it because I can see a lot of things online. They'll say we should come and pay. At the end
Exactly.
of the day, you won't get the gain of you won't get the value of what you actually paid for. They just show
Exactly.
you stupid candlesticks.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. No problem. We are in this together. It will come
Thank,
good.
thank,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you.
So yeah, so we'll talk again. I'll see you tomorrow if you are going to be here. So yeah.
Yes, of course I'll be here. I'll
All
be
right
here.
then. Yeah. Take
All
care
right.
then. All right. Have a
Yes.
nice evening. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye, and bye bye everyone.